Okay, hello and welcome back. Right, the job's finished. Now, if I just turn that round, sorry about any shaking or anything. And as you can see, we've now got all the mould areas that were on it. We've got it in, ready for the cat to have a bit of a go at it. I forgot it unscrews. Oh dear, right. Okay, so that's done. Temporary repair, but the pussycat won't know any difference. Now then, right. Okay, work zone glue gun. Now then, I must admit that my initial thought on this piece of kit was somewhat apprehensive, because it's only I think, where is it, to 30 20 watt, I think it is, something, yeah, 20 watts, something like that. No, whether it says supposed to be 20 or 78, because it's got a 78 in the bracket. So the machine that I was using at work was, what, 6 times dearer. Similar sort of design, 6 times dearer than what that little voice cost me from work zone. Initially, the glue seemed to crystallise, and it wasn't very good. Now then, that could be to the fact that it's just been started up, or it could have been to me not using it as it should be used. But in using it, what I've done there, and what it is, it's sisal is what I've put on there, which is, for want of other words, like a very cheap form of rope. And at this moment in time, it's worked. It's held it in place. It's done what I wanted it to do. Whether or not it remains that way, as I said before, once the cat gets its claws around it, I don't know. But it works. If you, providing you leave it on long enough, so as the glue is starting to drip out the end of it, yeah, I think it works. Will it last? Time will tell. But at this moment in time, I found it functional. I found it to do what it says it's going to do. There isn't much more as you can say about it. As with everything else, you get what you pay for, and I suppose that's the same with all sorts of tools. I hate that saying, but it is true. You do get what you pay for. Coming up, I'm going to start to have a look at the trimmer. I've got a base that I want to make for it. I've got some acrylic, so I'm going to make myself a little base for it. And as I showed a few days ago, I managed to get hold of some quarter flat, very small. If that'll focus right, I don't know, it might do. Very small ends, which I'm going to try in it. Now, I know there's proper things out there for doing writing with. I'm going to have a go with them. They're thin enough, and as I say, it said £5 on it when I initially picked them up, and like I said, by the time I got to checkout, they went down to £3. You can't complain at that, you know. It is what it is, he says. So yeah, we can have a go with that. Coming up, I've yet to finish off my table saw. It is in, it is working, and I'm quite pleased with it. Everybody goes off on the fence. The fence is slightly out, but not by that much. Not for me anyway, because I mean I'm not working high-end stuff. I did see an idea that somebody had on there, which I'm going to look into, which I thought was absolutely fantastic. Those of you that have got the Titan saw, you can see the fact that the actual guide doesn't go past the saw blade. But, as I said, somebody's actually, what they've done is they've put a block on the top of it with two nuts that run into the channel, and they fastened another block onto it, and then a straight flat piece of wood across it. Idea, it looks very good, very simple. Credit to the guy. Unfortunately, I can't remember who it was. I think it was somebody in the group. I can't remember. But magic, I'm going to pinch your idea, mate. It helped me out a lot. Saved me messing about. So for now, thank you again to everybody that subscribed. If you like the video and you've